In today's video, I am going to teach you how to post to social media with Hootsuite. This is a simple workflow that helps you share updates from one place while keeping your posts organized and easy to manage. First, open Hootsuite and look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled plus, followed by Create a Post. Click on that to start a new posting window. This is the starting point. So once you select it, you are telling Hootsuite that you want to publish something new. Take a moment to confirm that the Create a Post area has opened, because the rest of the steps depend on being in the right posting screen. Next, you will need to select which social accounts you want to post to. Look for a drop-down menu that lists your connected social accounts. From that drop-down, choose the account or accounts you want to use for this specific post. If you have multiple networks connected, this is where you control where your message will appear. Make sure you select the correct profiles before you start typing, since changing accounts after you attach content can sometimes require rechecking your setup. After selecting your social accounts, move your attention to the caption area. In this step, type your caption text. Keep in mind that this caption is the main message your audience will read, so you want it to be clear and relevant to what you are sharing. Also consider whether the tone fits the platform you selected. As you type, you may see that the layout or preview adjusts depending on the network, which helps you catch issues before you publish. Now you are ready to add your media. In the content area, attach your media assets. This might be an image, a video, or other supported files that you want to include with your post. Spend a moment making sure the media appears correctly in the upload area. If the file takes a moment to process, wait until it is fully ready, since posting too quickly can result in missing or incomplete content. When the media is attached, you are building the full post you want your audience to see. Once your caption and media are in place, you will reach the final publishing controls at the bottom of the posting screen. Look for the button labeled Post Now. If you are ready to share immediately, you can click Post Now. This will publish your post right away to the accounts you selected. Before you press it, quickly double-check that everything looks correct, including the caption text and the attached media. If you are not ready to publish at the current moment, you can choose a scheduling option instead. In that case, do not click Post Now. Look for the option to select Schedule for Later to pick a date. Scheduling is useful when you want your post to go live at a specific time or when you plan your content in advance. When you choose Scheduling, set the date and confirm the time so the post reaches the audience when you intended. After you finish choosing either Post Now or Schedule for Later, you should confirm that the post is accepted. Depending on your setup, you may see a status message or a confirmation that indicates the post is queued or published. This confirmation matters because it reassures you that your content has been submitted successfully. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.